Breaking right now, the Supreme Court paving the way for the Trump administration to continue their effort to dismantle the Department of Education. The court lifting a judge's order to reinstate 1,400 federal workers who were laid off during the administration's effort to slash the federal workforce. Joining me now by phone, Education Secretary Linda McMahon. Secretary McMahon, thank you. Welcome. Good to have you on the phone to respond to this. What is your reaction, and what does this actually mean for this process?
Well, thank you very much, Martha, for having me on. This is a real victory, I think, for the future of American education. And I was so pleased with the Supreme Court's ruling today, and it just really reemphasized the fact that the president, clearly, of the United States is the head of the executive branch, and he's the one that has the ultimate authority over staffing levels, administrative organization, et cetera, and through his appointees, which are the secretaries that head these agencies, he expects those orders to be carried out. And so I'm just incredibly pleased that the authority was reinstated where it should be, which is back with the president and with me in this particular instance as Secretary of Education. This lifts the handcuffs off of what we've been trying to do, which really is to get education back to the states where the president believes it does belong. The best education is that closest to the student.
So the Department of Education, just to remind people, was founded in 1979 under Jimmy Carter. This is a relatively new agency in Washington. And, there's just always been a lot of question about how effective it has been in terms of educating our students, because during that period, since 1979, 1980, we have not seen an acceleration of increasingly strong performance of American students, correct?
Well, that's correct. I mean, actually, right after, just as I was coming in and being confirmed, the NAEP scores, which is the Nation's Report Card, had come out. And it was just, they were abominable, if you will. I mean, when you think about the fact that 70% of eighth graders cannot read proficiently and 72% of them can't do math proficiently, that's just horrific. If as a measurement of the education system here in the United States. And so the president was angry about it. He was embarrassed about it. And he talked to me about this. He said, we have got to do better. We're not doing something right. And since that short time ago, as you mentioned, that the Department of Education was stood up, Martha, we have spent over $3 trillion.
Unbelievable.
And not getting the scores up that we need. So this is good for today.
Yeah, $3 trillion spent on the Department of Education, and we have gone steadily lower in terms of our how we stack up against other industrialized nations. So we're clearly doing something wrong. We'll see where this goes. I know he said he wanted you to put yourself out of a job eventually, Secretary McMahon. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you for joining us on the phone today for this breaking news. Good to see you as always.
Thank you very much.
Or at least to hear you.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.